I have here the Jivo technology lightning cables in both sizes. I have all the colors of the 3.3 foot lightning cable and the 10 foot or 3 meter lightning cables. Each cable comes in various colors. It comes in purple, white, blue, pink, and red. A 3.3 foot or 1 meter cables comes in 5 colors as I just showed you, and the cable is flat. The 10 foot long cables is nice thick cable, so it's very high quality. Now let's unbox all of them. The cable looks very durable from my perspective. Take them all out of their packaging. Let's grab a scissor to make it easier. There we go. Much faster. All these cables are Apple certified, as you can see from the logo on the top of the box right here. Having Apple certification is very important because it means no errors will come up when this cable is used. All this cable comes in various colors, so you can mix and match. And like, say you have a family, and you're each assigned a color to each family member, so they can keep track of their own cable. If they lose it, they're out of luck. And I like having various cables around the house, so I can charge my devices wherever I go. Please bear with me here. I'm just taking all the cables out of their packaging. They're in front of you. So many cables to take out of their packaging. One more. And that's it. Get rid of all those extra pieces of packaging I cut off. And that's it. Just separate these. And there we go. So here's a close-up of the 10 foot cables. Both have ends right here. This end is like tapered off, so then it'll work with more cases, as you can see. Try to focus in right there. There we go. Both ends have good strain relief, as you can see right here and right here. The cable actually feels very thick and high quality. Also it says Jivo right here, as you can see. Branding. These cables feel very durable and they look very long. 10 foot length is a lot for a cable. Just Jivo right there. Red color looks very nice as well. I think I prefer the red color of these cables. This looks very nice. Here's the pink color. There we go, focus in. There you go, looks very nice. Here's the purple color, which also looks very nice. All these cables look very nice. All these cables have good strain relief and they're all Apple certified. It's also the improved design according to their listing on Amazon. That's all the colors of that. So here's a white version of this. It comes with a flat cable, which looks very nice and avoids tangling. Also the ends are smaller, like the USB end is like smaller. Also has good strain relief, as you can see. Lightning end is on the larger side of things, which is one thing I do not like. Like on the 10 foot cable, as you can see, it's tapered off, so it has a smaller end. so it'll work with more cases. But as sort of shorter cable, it has a larger end, which it will not work with most cases. Probably have to take the case off. Let's plug in my iPhone 5 and see if it fits. Yeah, that fits my UAG case just fine. And so does this one, obviously. Pink color close up. Now we're on the purple color. All these cables are flat for the shorter variation of the cable. Move on to the blue. And that's the last color. These cables work well. Works with my iPhone 5, my iPod Touch 5, my new iPad Air 2. So for an example, I'll just plug in a battery pack just to show you how it works. I wouldn't bring this cable to go as a battery pack cable because this cable is super long, which just to show you that it works. Plug into my iPad, I'll plug it in. As you can see, it started charging right away. There you go, it's charging. Now I'll just plug in the shorter version of the cable, the 1 meter version. I'll just plug into my iPod Touch 5, which is in a spec case, and the cable fits just fine. And there you go, started charging. Show you the top of it. There you go. See, it's charging and no error came up when I plug it in, as all these cables are Apple certified. So overall, I definitely recommend these cables. They look very nice, feel very high quality and durable, and they're all Apple certified, which is very important to me. This review is done by Zachary, and I give these cables a 5-star rating. Just look how nice they look.